Harmony and Ghost. And there's Lily. Hello. There's Ghost. What? What do you want? This is Polo. Polo with the ears. There's Chip. Hello, Chippy. Harmony. Lily. Harmony. Hello, Chip. Hello. You're going to your new home today? Yes, you are. Let's go see what these little buggies are doing up here. Hello? Hello, babies. Hello, Mika. Are you going to say something? Jasper! Jasper! Come on, Jasper! Come on! I'm watching from a distance. It's Babu! Speaking! Coral! Coral! Hello, baby girl. I'm Babu. You've got a lot to say this morning. There's Daisy. Mika. Oh, Mika. Wondered how long it'd be before you said something. Jasper. He's not coming to join us. He's found a nice place in the sun. Look on the cushion. Not moving.